Hi, my name is Jose Pablo Choarias, and my partner is Diego Paniagua. We are presenting our assessment of GAC 004 Mathematics 1 Fundamentals about the trigonometric functions. Okay, so first we get a rope, then we went to measure with the rope the distance of the hypotenuse, and then I measured the angle that formed the rope with the floor, and then we measured the used distance of the rope. Okay, so with this information, we got that the height of the house is x, the hypotenuse is 4.95 meters, and the angle is 40 degrees. Now, with the help of the trigonometric functions, we're gonna discover the value of x using sin of 40 degrees equals x divided by 4.95. This gives us that x equals 4.95 multiplied by sin of 40 degrees. And now with this, we got that x is 3.18 meters. So we have that the height of the house is 3.18 meters. Now my teammate Diego Paniagua is going to explain you how Eratosthenes discovered that the earth was round and what experiments did he use to discover this.
Eratosthenes was a Greek who lived in the city of Alexandria. He was an astronomer, historian, geographer, philosopher, poet, theater critic, and a mathematician. He worked in the library of Alexandria, and one day he read in a book something very interesting. He read that on June 21st, a column that was in the city of Sign did not project any shade when the sun was at the highest point. This is at midday, and discovered that in Alexandria, 800 kilometers to the north, a column cast a shadow. This phenomenon made him uneasy, and he decided to experiment to discover why it was possible. After several days of thinking, he concluded that the answer was that the Earth was round. This caused that the rays of the sun do not arrive parallel to the Earth, since the objects are located in different angles by the round surface of the Earth. Eratosthenes imagined the columns extending from the surface to the center of the Earth, and discovered the angle that they will form when they get together. The column projects a shade with an angle of 7 degrees, so it will be the same in the angle that the columns in the center of the Earth will form, which is 1/5 of the degrees of the Earth, which are 360. With this, Eratosthenes multiplied 800, which is the distance in kilometers that are from Syene to Alexandria, by 50, what will give a result of 40,000. That will be the circumference of the Earth, and this result was correct. This is how Eratosthenes discovered the circumference of the Earth using only his mind and shadows that columns project.